Okay, so reading the graph and interpreting the information that we have. So here we have what's known as a bar chart, because we have bars here. The graph shows the number of cars sold in one day. The number of cars has been recorded by the car color. Okay, so this would be the number of yellow cars, red cars, black and blue. Okay, now I think if we do this as a question, you'll see how simple it is. So first of all, question 1, how many red cars were sold? So we go to the red bar. Now whenever you read the graph, make sure that you look to see what the values are of the lines. Okay, a lot of people will read this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so they will go to the top of the bar, which is where we get our number from, and they'll read this as 4. Even though there's 16 there, there's 4. Okay, so here we can see that the numbers are going up in 4s. So we got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So question 1, how many red cars were sold? So we go to the red bar, we go to the top and then read off, and we can see that that's 16. Question number 2, how many blue cars were sold? So question 2, how many blue cars were sold? So we go to the blue column, we go to the top, read off, and we can see 24. Okay, you can see now it's very simple. Now question 3, how many more black cars were sold than yellow? Okay, so black cars. Okay, if we go to black, now you'll notice that the bar stops halfway between 16 and 20. So the number is halfway between 16 and 20. So if this is going up in 4s, this has come up 2. So it will be 16 plus the 2. So this will be 18. And yellow, we can see, is 8. Okay, so this would be 18, take away the 8, which will give us 10 more cars. Okay, then how many cars were sold in total? So we know this many yellow cars were sold, this many red, this many black, and this many blue. So we just add the totals together. So we have 8 yellow cars plus 16 red cars. So we have 16 plus, now the black car, remember, we worked out as 18 plus the blue cars, which were 24. Okay, so we could use our calculator for this, or we could do a little sum, a little addition sum. So we have 8 plus 16 plus 18 plus 24 gives us 66 cars. Okay. So that would be question number 4. So a quick check. So 8 and 16 is 24. 24 plus 24 is 48. 58, 66. So I know this is right. So you can see that reading a graph is very, very simple. Okay. Now let's say they said, oh, we forgot. We forgot that we sold 2 green cars. And we have to put this on the graph. Okay. So what we do is we go and we create a bar. Now we've got 2, remember, 2 green cars. So from here to here is 4. So we only want to go halfway. Okay. So I go about halfway. Oh dear. Okay. That's about halfway. And I create a little bar. Okay. So this then represents the green cars. Okay, let's see if this works, and my computer skills are really good. Yeah. So here we can see now we put in a bar that represents 2 cars. Okay. So we can now say that this, okay, whoops, it's just in green. So this represents 2 green cars. Okay. Now I'm sure that you probably could do this anyway, but some people miss the important things. Knowing the distances between the lines. Okay, this is very important. Okay, it isn't always 1, 2, 3, 4. It could go up in 3s or 7s or 26s. We don't know. So always make sure that you know, and then just work through the questions in a nice logical manner. And you can see that if you have to put something in, as long as you know the values of these lines, it's very, very simple. Okay, so we'll